Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading will be who is your Valentine or who will be your Valentine. Okay, so Valentine's Day is day after tomorrow. So we all will see what angels and spirit guides want to say. So who will be your Valentine? We will see today. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me to do more and more videos. And also, I would like to thank all the subscribers who subscribe to my channel. I request you all to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can share my videos if you think they are useful for anybody, so you can share my videos to your friends, relatives, or whoever needs them. Okay, then please don't forget to press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. Okay, so please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody. Then please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I can't force anybody, or you don't force the reading which is not resonating to you. Okay, and take only whatever resonates. And this tarot reading is nothing but this is a manifestation. Okay, so this is not a like a set in stone. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are manifesting, and whatever you are asking to the universe, and universe is giving response through cards. Okay, so please understand that. Then yeah, that's all pretty much. Then let's go for the pile selection. We have three piles here. Pile 1 white heart, pile 2 red heart, pile 3 then yellow heart. Okay, you can see pile 1 white heart, then pile 2 red heart, and pile 3 yellow heart. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. And if you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile and choose it as per your wish. Okay, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Whoever chose this white heart, this reading is for you. Let's see who will be your Valentine. Who will be your Valentine? Who will be your Valentine? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please show us some way to know the future. And who will be their Valentine? Whoever chose the pile number 1, who will be their Valentine? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? So let's see. 3 of moons, 3 of spheres, the devil, and bottom of the deck it is 9 of suns. Okay, so your Valentine, who will be your Valentine is our question. Then let's see. Your Valentine can be Capricorn, very strongly it is Capricorn. Then some of you it is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and some of you it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But I can't see any air signs here. Okay, but don't go with the signs because it is a general reading, so you don't go by the signs. Okay, what I can see is major energy is 9 of suns. Okay, 9 of suns means this person is whoever will be your, who will be your Valentine. Okay, this person will be someone who is already having a cycle with you. I mean, already had a cycle with you. You know this person, he is in your friend circle only, and you had parties with this person. You have mutual friends also. This person might be your college mate, classmates, or colleague. You know this person actually, and right now you both are not talking, and this person is quite defensive right now, but still this person is waiting. And I can see the tired of waiting. I can see that this person is tired of waiting for you, but still he or she, they are still defensive actually. I can see their guards are up. They're simply waiting, okay, for the right time, or waiting for you to come to them. So they are not taking any action, they are not making any move, but still they are waiting for you, and very patiently they are waiting, and they are tired also. Then three is very prominent for you. Maybe in the month of March you met, or you got separated, or your birthday, or your person's birthday. Okay, so anything it can be. Okay, so yeah, I can see that only. Then I can see 15 and 9 also. I can see maybe your birthday, or this person's birthday. Then I can see the three of spears. Okay, that means again there is some interference in your connection. Maybe your family, or that person's family, they are interfering in your connection, and there are a lot of people involved actually. And this person has taken up some new venture or a new job recently, and this person is trying to learn the work, okay, like trying to adapt the new environment. Okay, maybe if it is a new workplace, this person is trying to uh, adapt the situation. Okay, then also I can see that they are divinely guided towards you, and they want to come towards you and want to be your valentine. Maybe they are not taking action right now, but they are obsessively thinking about you. They are not able to sleep at night, and they don't know what to do actually. So they feel like they are chained to you, and they feel that you both are divinely connected or soulmates. So this person thinks very positively about you, and also they are very much attracted towards you, very like I can say sexually they are attracted towards you, and definitely they want to be your valentine. Okay, so it may not be so easy or fast, because the waiting energy I can see, maybe not this Valentine's Day, maybe in future. Okay, maybe next Valentine's Day this person want to be your valentine, because I don't see any energy of taking action. But let's see more cards. Let's pull more cards to know more details about who is your valentine. So let's pull more cards and see who will be your valentine. Who will be your valentine? Who will be your valentine? Who will be your valentine? Angels and spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be your valentine? Okay, one card flew away. This is Justice. Nine of Cups. Ace of Swords. Okay, so the bottom of the deck, it is Three of Pentacles. Okay, so I can see that this person is strongly Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or for some of you it is Justice, means Libra. Okay, so definitely this person want to communicate to you. They want to come towards you. They are dealing with their job, work related things, because Pentacles means it is more of an more of a finance related or job. Okay, they are learning some new things, okay, regarding work and all. So that is their overall energy right now. They are not concentrating to about the financial stability. So they are working towards their financial stability, and they are also thinking about you. In one side they are thinking about you also, and they want to work on their finance also, so that you both can live happily. So three is very strong here, I feel that. Okay, then even nine also is a prominent. Then I can see maybe in the month of September you both met or separated, or your birthday or this person's birthday, anything can be resonated. So justice means this person want to have a justice in this connection, or your person, the Valentine, can be authoritative figure like attorney or a lawyer, judge. Okay, anybody, your person can be working in that job. Okay, and maybe this person is going through a legal battle, maybe going through a separation or a divorce, or this person want to marry you. Justice is also known as a marriage card. Okay, so this person want to marry you, and I can see your person is very very what do you say, eligible bachelor or bachelorette. They don't have anybody in their life right now. They are single, they are alone, they are enjoying their singlehood, and they see you as their wish fulfillment. And that is the reason they want to come towards you, because they feel that you have all the um, qualities that they want to have in a person, and they want to have a new beginning. And ace of swords means they want to cut all the BS, and they want to start a new beginning. They want to have a new beginning. That means maybe you both had a misunderstanding in the past. Maybe you both had a conflict. That is the reason you both got separated. So this person now, they want to cut all those things, and they want to come towards you. Actually, the new beginning, they want to have a new beginning. Okay, so that is what I can feel. That person might be your Valentine, but I cannot see any rushing energy, or any action taking energy. Everything is in their mind only. And but they want a new beginning. That much is sure. Their intentions are pure. They want to marry you. They see you as wish fulfillment, and they want to have a new beginning in this connection. Let's pull one guidance card from angels and spirits. Universe, what do you want to say? What do you want to advise to this pile one people, whoever chose this white heart? Please give one advice card. Please give one advice card. Okay, the moon. So they are saying that the universe is trying to say that there are lot of people involved, or as I said, that there his or her family is involved. There is a mother issue is there, so maybe mother is interfering in your connection. So maybe your mother or their mother. That is the reason this person is not able to take any action. And also this person is in. Maybe this person is staying far away from you, maybe other country, or okay, maybe another city or a state, and they have lot of secrets. That's what universe is saying. So whatever you see, that is not the truth. Whether it is you are seeing it negatively or positively, that is not the truth. There are many things hidden inside this connection or with this person. So universe is saying, please don't misunderstand that person, or judge that person. Okay, there are many secrets involved that can be for good or not. So universe is saying that these are all involved, so please take caution before taking any other step. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number one. That if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell symbol for more notification. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Who will be your Valentine? Who will be your Valentine? Let's see. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? Whoever chose this red heart, who will be their Valentine? Who will be their Valentine? Who will be their Valentine? Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? We have 3 of stars. Then we have the burning tower. the Hanged Man, and the bottom of the deck, the Devil. Actually, the Devil card already flew away. Then I took it back and mixed it with the pile. See, again it came. Okay, so let us see. We have here three of stars, then Burning Tower and Hanged Man. I can see here Aries and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Scorpio very strong, and also Hanged Man. Okay, that is also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see strongly fire signs here, and I can see air signs and Scorpio very strong. Okay, so who will be your Valentine? We will see now. So your Valentine is somebody whom you already dealt with, and your heart was broken, your relationship is broken, it is ended already. Okay, so the Burning Tower means it is everything ended, dead end of this connection. Something happened unexpectedly, and you it was heartbroken, breaking thing, and you both got separated. And after that, nobody is taking a move. Both are like in a hanged man situation. You both are not able to move further because of this, because the connection is already ended. You both are feeling, because the burning tower, it everything collapsed. Okay, but even though the heart was broken, you are trying to heal yourself from this connection, and even the other person is trying to heal from this connection. And but this person is not able to go away from you, because they feel that they are chained towards you. They feel that they are so much attached to you, and they are not able to forget you. They are obsessively thinking about you. They are passionate about you. They are attracted towards you. They want to have physical connection with you. So this person, whoever it is, you feel that this is done. For some of you it might be your ex also. I can feel that for some of you maybe it is divorced. Okay, maybe some of you are divorced from this person, or you are you broke the relationship, but this person ex, this person will be coming back to you. So you feel that many people say no, we don't want ex and all, we want new person, we don't want to deal with the ex. So if that is the case, you can stop this reading, because I strongly feel that this person already, you know, this person for long time, you had cycles with this person, and after that everything ended abruptly. So I feel this person is your ex, maybe your ex lover or ex husband. Okay, so this person will be definitely, they will be coming towards you, they want to come towards you, and they want to be your Valentine. Okay, let's get more clarity. Who will be your Valentine? Let's see. Who will be your Valentine? Let's pull more cards. Who will be your Valentine? Angels and spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? Who will be their Valentine? Who will be their Valentine? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Whoever chose this red heart, who will be their Valentine? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? Okay, one card flew away. Let me take it. And bottom of the deck, it is the Sun. Okay, so as I told you already, this person might be your ex, I said already. So let's see more. Okay, hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so this person might be most of you it will be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and for some of you it is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But Aries is very strong here. Then I can see, as I told you already, this person can be your ex, and you had children with this person already. Okay, so maybe you have a son with this person, and you both are separated or divorced. So now this person want to come towards you with an offer. Okay, this will be a stable offer. They want to offer you um, uh, maybe a gift, or a token. So this offer, whatever it is, this offer will be very strong and stable, because in these signs, only the earth signs are very very stable. Okay, so this person definitely they want to come towards you, but they are very slow in movement. Okay, taking action is very very slow. So that's what you should have patience with this person, because you blocked them or they blocked you. Both of you are blindfolded. You both don't know what is happening in this connection. You don't know what's happening in that person's life, and the other person, they don't know what is happening in your life. That is kind of a situation. So both of you are stuck, and this person is feeling like they are tied and they can't move actually. So even in the previous spread also we got the Hanged Man, right? So this is also same energy. This Eight of Swords means this is also same kind of energy. They are stuck, they are blindfolded, they are tied to a rope. mm, Tied with a rope, so they are not able to move towards you, but definitely they want to come towards you. They feel like you are their queen or king. Okay, so they are looking at you like their family. So family person, okay, wife material, they are seeing you. And because I feel for many of you, this person, you have their child, okay, or this person is already having children. So this person definitely sees you as their happiness. The sun means they want happiness with you. They want to have children with you if they don't have the children yet, so they want to have children with you. They are seeing you as a sun, bright sunshine, and you will be their happiness. Okay, that's what they are feeling right now, and they want to come towards you definitely. So I am nobody to advise you whether you should take this person back or not, but that's up to you. I mean, whatever you feel like. So we'll ask spirit guides and angels to give us some guidance and advice card. Angels and spirit guides, please give us one advice card, what they should do in this situation. So whoever chose this red heart, what they should do, who will be their valentine. Okay, again the sun. So twice the sun card came, friends. So definitely universe is saying that this person and you, you both will be happy together in future. So there is no need to worry. There is no need to have any fear in this connection. So you can accept this person wholeheartedly, because you both will be happy ultimately in future. Okay, your future will be very bright and very shining. So universe is saying that go ahead. This sun card is the most happiest card in this whole spread. Okay, so universe is saying that you can go ahead and accept this person, and you both will be happy together. And universe is blessing you also. Congratulations, pile number 2, whoever chose this pile. So this is what a reading I have for you. Who is your valentine? That's what we came to know. Okay, then that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Who will be your valentine? Let's see who will be your valentine. Okay, whoever chose yellow heart, this reading is for you. Who will be your valentine? Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their valentine? Whoever chose this yellow heart, who will be their valentine? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some clarity. Okay, the 9 of Suns, Four of Spheres, Two of Moons, and bottom of the deck, the Alchemist. Okay, hope you can see the Alchemist. Okay, so now let's start the reading. I can see your Valentine might be actually all signs I can see except the air signs. I can see strongly Earth signs Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and also Sagittarius is very strong. I can see. Then I feel that you have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. So let's see. Okay, the overall energy is alchemist. So this person is manifesting you. They want to manifest you in their life again. So you know this person already, and you both are like soulmates. You might be partners in any project or any business. Okay, so you know this person. You are already dealing with this person. You are working with this person, and you both are soulmates actually. So maybe first you both were friends or colleagues. Now slowly you started developing feelings with each other. So now you both want to celebrate this Valentine's Day with each other. Okay, this person is definitely they want to manifest you. So they're maybe I can see that this person is like doing some tricks and all magics or something like that, because they want to manifest you. Maybe they are following the law of attraction manifestation techniques and all. And also I can see that this person might be, if you are working in the same office or anywhere, so even there also this person is purposely, maybe they will be coming to towards you to talk, or maybe you both are seeing each other like coming face to face to each other in the office. And also this person, whatever is it is happening, so this person is doing purposely because they want to see you, they want to meet you, they want to observe you. Okay, so they feel that this two of cups means you both are this is mutual love actually. You both love each other, you both feel like you are soulmates. For some of you, you have expressed this love also already. You both are lovers. I can see that you both love each other, and you are already sharing your cup with this other person. But I can see that this person is very possessive about you. They want to keep you for themselves. They don't want to you to talk to anybody. And if you are talking to anybody, this person feels jealous. So they will be always keeping an eye on you, and they are not expressing their feelings so easily. They are kind of introvert also, and they are not expressing their feelings, and their guards are up actually. So with the nine of sons, their guards are up, but they are waiting patiently. They're like maybe they proposed you and you didn't propose them, or you didn't reply them back. Okay, for some of you I'm saying. So this person is waiting for your reply patiently. They are waiting, and they are tired of waiting actually. I can see here they are tired of waiting, but still they are waiting patiently. They are not taking any action, but behind they are doing all the manifestation techniques, and they are trying to manifest you in their life back. Let's pull more cards to see what is happening here, and who is your Valentine. Let's see. Let's pull more cards. Okay. Okay, angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? Who will be their Valentine? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their Valentine? Okay, I got already 3 cards. So bottom of the deck is the Empress. Okay, so some of you, this person, I feel that this person is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, I can see all these signs here. So this person sees you as their wife already. They see you as a very abundant person. You are very abundant in your life, or you are already the wife of this person. Okay, for some of you, or as I told you earlier, they see you as an empress. You are very abundant, beautiful. You have whatever you want, you can have in your life. That much power you have. So people are at your feet. That kind of power you have. That much beautiful you are. You are the having all the qualities like Empress. Okay, that's what they see. And for some of you, you might be pregnant also for some, because Empress card means it is fertility, pregnancy, and the love towards you, it is growing and growing more. Okay, so Empress means other meaning also, like their love towards you, it is growing and growing. Okay, pregnancy means it, the baby will be growing, right? So similarly, their love towards you is growing day by day, and they want to have a new beginning with you, Ace of Pentacles. So maybe this can be a new job offer, or they want to offer you something. As I already told you, you might be business partners, or you are doing in the same project. Maybe this person is your boss, or you are that person's boss. Okay, so they want to have a new beginning, or start a new venture with you, or offer you financial stability. Okay, but somehow they want to have a new beginning. So this Nine of Wands is repeated again. That means this person is patiently waiting for you. They are tired, but still they are not moving forward. Okay, they are either they are not leaving you, or they are not coming towards you. Still simply they are standing and waiting for you. Holding that wand means holding this connection very tightly. They don't want to leave this connection, so they are holding the wand tightly, and they are waiting for you to come to them. Okay, Page of Swords. So definitely this person is spying, heavily spying. Okay, so this person is spying on you. They are checking your social media. They are checking your like Instagram, or Twitter, or Facebook, whatever it is. So they are definitely, they are spying on you. They are gathering information about you. As I told you, you both know each other. You might be working together in the same company. So this person is trying to gather all the information about you. Definitely they are observing you. Okay, they are not leaving you. They are definitely observing you. They want to have a clarity that what you are doing, because I already told this person is very very possessive. They can't see you with someone else. So for that reason, this person is spying on you. They are trying to gather information about you. Okay, then let's see. Let's pull one advice card for you. Spirits and angels, please give one advice card for my third pile, whoever chose this yellow heart. Please give one advice card, Spirit. Please give one advice card. Okay, so universe is saying death. Death means it is a death and rebirth. Okay, something is dying in between you, and something is transforming in this connection. As I told you that maybe till now you both are just friends. Maybe you both have some addictions which is stopping this connection. But death means that whatever bad things or negative impressions you both have, that will die, and it will be reborn. So definitely the transformation will take place in this connection. So universe is saying that the transformation is happening. So be patient and wait for this person, or wait and watch what will happen. Okay, that's what universe is saying. Something is definitely transforming in this connection. So that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol to know more notifications about my channel. That's all. Until next reading. Bye.